I'm Jyoti Gowda. I'm studying B.Ed second sem in Kaili College of Ankola. We studied about packaging. One of the most important developments affecting the business world in recent years has been in the area of packaging. Many products which we thought could never lend themselves to packaging because of their nature have been successfully packed. For example, pulses, ghee, milk, salt, cold drinks, etc. Then, what is packaging? Packaging refers to the act of designing and producing the container or wrapper of a product. Next one, levels of packaging. There can be three different levels of packaging. These are first one primary package, second one secondary packaging, third one transportation packaging. First one primary package. Primary package refers to the product's immediate container. In some cases, the primary package is kept till the consumer is ready to use the product. For example, plastic packet for socks, whereas in other cases, it is kept throughout the entire life of the product. For example, a toothpaste tube, a matchbox, etc. Second one, secondary packaging. Secondary packaging refers to additional layers of protection that are kept till the product is ready for use. For example, a tube of shaving cream usually comes in a cardboard box. When consumers start using the shaving cream, they will dispose of the box but retain the primary tube. Third one, transportation packaging. Transportation packaging refers to further packaging components necessary for storage, identification, or transportation. For example, a toothpaste manufacturer may send the goods to retailers in a corrugated boxes containing 10, 20, or 100 units. Next one, importance of packaging. Packaging has acquired great significance in the marketing of goods and services because of the following reasons. First one, rising standards of health and sanitization. Because of the increasing standards of living in the country, more and more people have started purchasing packed goods as the chances of adulteration in such goods are minimized. Second one, self-service outlets. The self-service retail outlets are becoming very popular, particularly in major cities and towns. Because of this, some of the traditional role assigned to personal selling in respect of promotion has gone to packaging. Third one, innovational opportunity. Some of the recent developments in the area of packaging have completely changed the marketing sense in the country. For example, milk can now be stored for 4-5 days without refrigerator in the recently developed packing materials. Similarly, in the area of pharmaceuticals, soft drinks, etc., lots of new innovations have come in respect of packaging. As a result, the scope for the marketing of such products has increased. Fourth one, product differentiation. Packaging is one of the very important means of creating products differentiation. The color, size, material, etc. of package makes real difference in the perception of customers about the quality of the product. For example, by looking at the package of a product, say paint or hair oil, one can make some guess about the quality of the product contained in it. Next, functions of packaging. As stated above, packaging performs a number of functions in the marketing of goods. Some of the important functions are as follows. First one, product identification. Second one, product protection. Third one, facilitating use of the product. Fourth one, product promotion. First one, product identification. Packaging greatly helps in identification of the products. For example, Colgate in red color or a Pond's cream jar can be easily identified by its package. Second one, product protection. Packaging protects the contents of a product from spoilage, breakage, leakage, filtrage, damage, climatic effect, etc. This kind of protection is required during storing, distribution and transportation of the product. Third one, facilitating use of the product. The size and shape of the package should be such that it should be convenient to open, handle and use for the consumers. Cosmetics, medicines and tubes of toothpaste are good example for this. Fourth one, product promotion. Packaging is also used for promotion purposes. A startling color scheme, photograph or typeface may be used to attract attention of the people at the point of purchase. Sometimes it may work even better than advertising. In self-service stores, this role of packaging becomes all the more important. These are all information about packaging. Thank you.